Hey, what's going on, guys? Boost the Whips here. Today we're going to be showcasing the Berry's magnetic racing paddle shifters for the Genesis G70. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what it comes, how to assemble it, and then on a separate video we're going to go ahead and tackle the install. The installation is very straightforward, doesn't take more than 5-10 minutes. Berry's has an actual video already, so I will post on that link in case you guys want to get ahead and see that. We will be installing it on our Genesis G70 shop car. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, upon opening the box, you're gonna have some goodies. One of the good things here is that it has the assembly instructions on how to add your paddles. So this comes with the 3 different paddles, which I'll go ahead and I'll display to you, which you can use or select. You do get a QR code to directly go to the installation video, which I was speaking about. You get a nice warranty card, really nice. They offer lifetime warranty on these, so definitely a great thing. You get your Berry stickers along with ours, Boost the Whip stickers included in the packaging. You do get this tool. This is to facilitate the connector where you're gonna plug it in, the OEM one. So when you remove your OEM paddle shifters, there's a connector. You can use this tool to facilitate the process. And then further inside, we have the magnetic paddles or the assembly system here. This is your plus. This is where your connector would go. You have a set of paddles. These are like a carbon fiber look, small version. So it'll probably be more or less like the OEM size. You get that for both sides, positive, negative, or upshift, downshift. You get the extended ones, which is probably the ones I will be using, which look really nice, very sporty look, lightweight. Same thing, you have your positive and negative or upshift, downshift. And then you get the magnetic ones, which are in here. So that's that. So we're gonna go ahead and install one of the paddles. Like I said, I'm probably gonna use this as reference, but all of them is the same process. So once you have this assembled, then you can go ahead and move to the next step and install them on your vehicle. So let's go ahead and do that. The very first thing you wanna do is grab one of the paddles shifters, and you wanna go over. So orientation, just so that you guys can see, it goes over. You're supplied with Allen screws. So we'll go ahead and take one of these, line it up here. And they give you the Allen tool as well. Do another hand tight here. And you're pretty much done. So we have both on there and we're ready for the install. So stay tuned for our other video on how to install. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and put the video that Berry provides, which is also inside a QR code inside the box, which you can scan and see it. Again, Berry provides a warranty card, which is lifetime, and that is all. Check us out on our website. We're an authorized dealer at boostthewhips.com under the Genesis G70 category. We plan to stock these very regularly, so definitely check us out. And until next time, if you guys have any questions, comments, drop them below. I've had a lot of questions in regards to performance wise, and you will get better response time in milliseconds. Of course, you have a better, faster, and shifting points due to the mechanism of this type of product. So it's very similar, if you're a gamer, to using a regular membrane keyboard versus a mechanical keyboard. As you know, every millisecond counts in game response. So it's the same thing when you're racing in a vehicle. This has a much better response time in milliseconds, which will reduce that additional lag in shift points and also accidentally shifting as well. So it helps a lot if you are into the racing perspective. Also, it just gives that great, feel. Everyone likes that nice click. I mean, it's just night and day feel with it. And yeah. But if you guys have any further questions, I'll gladly answer them. If I can, I'll reach out to Berries as well. They are very great at giving awesome support. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, Boost the Whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.